Sa akin dyan, guys, baka naman, porsyentuhan tayo dyan. Malaki na yung kinikita niya sa akin. Promise. Yung last content, umabot na yata ng 10M. Wait lang guys, I'm just making sure na safe and sound. Wala nang magiging problem. If you have any question po, just let me know lang on our comment section. And shoutout po sa ating 4,080 viewers. Welcome to Bench Official TikTok Shop. Kung hindi pa po kayo guys naka-follow sa official account natin, please do so para maging updated kayo sa ating live. Kung may mga question pa guys na hindi pa natin nasasagot, kindly hold on lang po for a while I'm fixing guys yung ating brief. So eto na guys, wait lang ha. Habol na guys, habol na po. Available pa ba yung support? Alin daw? Eto na guys, yung pinaramis ko kanina. As I've mentioned earlier, magsusuot po tayo ng brief naman. Yan, habol na guys habang may mga pa-discount pa po. Again guys, yung basket number natin. Basket number 4 is already pinned on our basket. This is made of cotton polyester guys na material. Makapal po yung kanyang garter, stretchable. Hold on lang, double check lang guys to make sure. Double check lang guys to make sure po na walang problem sa ating fitting. So yan siya guys, this one po is 3 pieces per pack na yan. All white, all black assorted color from small to double XL. Makapal yung garter, stretchable. Yan guys yung front part. And ito naman guys yung butt area niyan. Medyo ano siya guys, medyo revealing na ng konti since bikini type siya guys na brief. Yan siya guys. 3 pieces per pack, all white, all black assorted color from small to double XL. I-check out nyo na guys habang discounted pa po. Shoutout kay Rufa and Buwan, hello po. And shoutout po sa ating 5,130 viewers. Welcome to Bench Official TikTok Shop. Again, my name is Jayden Fernandez and I'll be your host guys. Hanggang 9 PM lang, so may 10 minutes na lang po tayo magkakasama. Kaya guys, sa mga hindi pa nakapag-check out, habol na.